Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's project is this turquoise earring, and I'm going to show you how I did this one to make the pair. In addition, I have a giveaway to tell you about. I'm trying to grow my channel, of course, and I'd like to get to 100 subscribers. So I'm going to give these two pair of earrings away. This is dark blue, by the way. I hope you can tell that by the video. It's like a very dark blue with light blue swirls there, and then these are a pair of hoops, both of them made by yours truly, and I'll link all the information about the giveaway in the description box. And I can't wait to do my first giveaway for my subscribers. Very excited about it. Okay, so I used 20 gauge gold colored wire. It's a copper wire, and let's see, I measured out, I believe this is about 4.5 inches. Yep, that's about 4.5 inches. And I used something round to make my, to make the shape, you know, like a round shape. So I used the bottom of this aspirin jar, or aspirin container, and just to make sure that I get a round shape for my wire, and then I just start adding my beads. Now I'm going to close this end so that they don't fall off. Okay, now we'll just add the turquoise colored beads, and then we'll close everything up. These are really nice, especially for the summertime, I think. I think that's a beautiful color. My favorite color is blue, so any shade of blue pretty much is gonna be okay with me. And I think I purchased these at Michael's, so no, I need to be corrected. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and I thought they were so pretty. And I believe they were on sale as well, so that made it even better. There we go. Another one. Okay. My cat, if you see his paw, you see a paw right here. This is my kitty cat, and he is, I hope not getting in the way too bad here. He just likes to get into everything I'm doing. Of course, I haven't seen him all morning, but now that I'm trying to do something, here he is. Here is Sirius. That's his name, Sirius, like the dog star. Okay, he's not interested. Good. So maybe he'll let me finish this up without too much of an interruption. Okay, so not done yet. Still got to add some more of these turquoise colored beads. And I would really appreciate comments if there's anything that anybody would like for me to do a video on, or if you have questions about how I did something. I would love to get comments down below. I'm also going to share my Instagram. I've got pictures of things that aren't necessarily in a video that I've made. I've made lots of things this summer, and I'd like to share pictures of them, of course. All handmade. I think it's almost time to close this up. And then we're gonna have a nice pair of turquoise hoops. Okay, that's too big. I need a smaller one to finish up. Let's see how that's gonna do. I need it pretty small. Okay. Here we go. Close the end. Okay, now I need a fastener. I know I've seen people do this very easily with 2 pair of round nose pliers. I don't have 2 pair yet, so have to do what I have to do until I get up to the store and get another pair. But you just have to make sure that you get it closed very tight so it wouldn't open up on you or anyone else while they're trying to wear this piece of jewelry. Okay, so close it back. All right. Not tight. I think that can stand to be a little tighter, just to make sure. And then we have to add our hook, the ear wire, you know. We'll add that and we're done. See how easy this was? You just have to find whatever beads you like, your favorite beads. Get the wire and then start beading. Very simple, but you have a really pretty product at the end when you're done. Okay. Okay, and we have 1 pair of turquoise earrings like this. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget about my giveaway. I'd love for somebody to win these. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.